Hey guys, have this fancy remote control special video. Um, have this phone on my hand. It's a TikTok phone. I think TikTok is going to be on it too, so let's get into it. Bear with me guys. I'll say hello to my TikTok friends. Right beside you guys. You guys got the yellow one, but still not real. So, yeah. Hello guys, TikTokers. It's me, Red. As you guys see, I'm filming, so I'm trying to whack this off. This fancy spanner. Guys, got a new weapon. A fancy spanner. I'm doing it for the TikTok fans. So, just be aware of me. I am filming the other one, so you can just see it. That's going on TikTok. That's Film Go, guys. You guys recognize Film Go. Of course you guys do. Look, I'll show you that one. Anyway, I'm gonna hit this. It's gonna be noisy for them. Oh, shoot. Stupid thing. Stupid thing hit my hand. My fancy pencil out. Hang on, guys. The TikTokers can put the comments on it if they want to. Especially my own comments, I don't mind if it. But if you guys see my video on YouTube, please put that comments on me. Sorry guys, the viewers can't see it, but they can. Oh, I hit the night lights. Yeah, there's a night light there. Son of... Gosh! I gotta wear my gloves, this is stupid. I'm just going... hang on guys. So I had to cut my TikTok fans off because my hand hurts from the pencil. Sorry guys, my hand was hurt for the pencil. It's my first time I used a glove on my Film Go. Stupid pencil slide off. Gee, I gotta grab another one. Oh, there goes my camera, guys. Sorry, everyone. That's just my camera got knocked over. I gotta grab another pencil anyway. Stupid thing. Oh, I missed. Stupid thing. Ah, stupid gloves. That's from Woak. Stupid thing. junk. Alright, on to the next video.